Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is 2013 paper 2 MC question 20 and here you have a bearing question. So let's get started. First of all, we have 3 points O, P and Q, and when you see it's a bearing question, your first step could be drawing the this type of thing for P and Q as well. So let's draw it so that we don't get confused later on. When there is a north sign, you put an arrow there. Okay, and then also for P, all right, just also draw it. We have a like this, and then next step you can do is let's to read it. Bearing of P from O is south 86 towards east. So this is P. When it comes from O, it is 86 degree. So where is that 86 degree? So first of all, do you know what is north, east, south, west? Yep. So in other words, south is at the bottom. So from south towards the east, that angle is 86. Okay, this angle is 86. That is what it means by this line. Bearings of P from O is south 86 towards east. Okay, and then next thing you can do is the other line is bearing of Q from O is north 32 east. So from north to east is 32 because that is for Q. So that's why we're using the Q line. Okay, if it was P line, then it would be this way. But of course, that is already more than 90. So that's not wrong. That's not correct. So Q is here, north towards east, 32 degree here, 32. And what else do we know is that P and Q are equal distance from O. So this line and this line, they are actually equal. So OP and OQ, they are equal. So what does equal actually mean? Why did they even tell us? Well, you have a triangle here, and in a triangle, if two sides are equal, we call that isosceles triangle. And if for isosceles triangle, the base angles are same. Okay, remember, isosceles triangle, if these two lines are same, then the corresponding angles are same. So it will be the same as here. If these two angles are same, then this angle and this whole big angle will be the same. So in that case, if they are giving you this hint, that means you do have to find these angles. So next step, of course, will be finding these two angles. How do we find it? We know that these two will be the same. But then in order to find these two, we need to know the angle that is here. Ooh. Here. So can we know this one? What do you think? Can we know it? Yes, we can, because see, it's a straight line here. And if you have to find this line, it's just straight line is called 180 degree, right? And you just have to minus both of them. And you will be left with 62. And if you know this one is 62, then can we find the base angles? Yes, 180 minus that 62 and then divide it by 2. So because there are two of them, both are same, so that's why we are dividing it by 2. So each of them are left with 59. The whole thing is 59. And then let's see what's the next line. Then the bearing of P from Q. P is here from Q. So that means this line. So you have to find the angle for this line starting from Q. So which angle will that be according to you? Yep, it is these angles, because bearing either starts from north or south and it goes from east or west. Okay, it's always like that. So and the line is here, it's near south, so that's why we are using this angle, and it's going towards the east. So our angle will be south something to east. Okay, south something to east. So what is this angle then? The whole thing we know, the whole thing here we know is 59. But how about just this point? We can actually get to know it. How? Look at this 32. Can you see a straight line here and there? Yup. They are parallel. Both are going to the north sides, right? So they are straight lines parallel. So if that is 32, we are making a Z, then this is also 32. The whole thing is 59. This side is 32. What is left? Of course, just minus that. 59 minus 32. You are getting that as 27. So that's why your answer is south 27 towards east. That is all for this question. Hope you like it, and if you have more questions, because this was a hard one, I know, so you may feel free to ask on IG or even in the comment section down below. Thank you.